What is up, Buff Riders? KG, RoughToBeBuffTV. We are back with another exercise tutorial, and today we are talking everything abs. I got 8 exercises on tap, so let's get right into it. The first exercise we are looking at, we need repetitions of 30. Spiderman plank. You are holding high plank position, driving your knee towards your elbow. Make sure to get a nice, good, tight crunch effect every repetition. Keep your shoulders directly over your wrists. Next, we have reverse crunches, repetitions of 20. The whole goal here is to keep the hands nice and flat and the head back. Use your abdominal muscles to scoop your tailbone off of the floor in a controlled fashion. Do not, and I repeat, do not kick your feet into this exercise. Do not use any momentum with your feet to get your tailbone off of the ground. Use that abdominal wall to pick your tailbone off the floor and try to lower back down in a controlled fashion. The next exercise we have on tap are 40 scissor kicks. Be sure to keep your head and upper back off of the mat here. That is going to keep your midsection engaged as your feet go through your scissor kicks. Every time a foot goes up, that counts as a repetition. Be sure to keep a quick to moderate tempo. Now the fun is just getting started. The next exercise is a leg up crunch. We have a set of 15 repetitions. Be sure to keep the lower back nice and flat here. The ankles are relaxed, the knees are relaxed, our hands are above or on the outside of our knees, and get a nice, good, hardcore crunch in that midsection. Good luck. Okay, now that we're warmed up, we have a crunched heel touch. I repeat, a crunched heel touch, a set of 30. Be sure to stay in that crunched position. You can see my head is up, my chin is tucked down towards my chest. We are reaching in the direction of our heels, rocking side to side. We're gonna take a trip to Mother Russia. We have 40 Russian twists. Get balanced on your butt cheeks side to side. This is one exercise I like to make quick. You got 40 repetitions. Go get it. It's time to work on those obliques and serratus. We have rotational side planks for repetitions of 15. Make sure we have all of our joints stacked. shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles all stacked on top of each other. That bottom elbow is directly below the shoulder. We are taking that top elbow, rotating towards the ground, open up that chest at the top. last exercise we have on tap today are V-sit leg circles. So get your hands out nice and wide behind you, get your body balanced on your booty cheeks, and draw a nice big circle. 15 repetitions to the left, 15 repetitions to the right. This is the last exercise, ab finisher. Don't quit now. Washboard abs are complete. Drop me a big blue thumbs up and subscribe if you're new around here. But let's be honest, guys, if you really want those abs to pop, it's all gonna start in the kitchen. So get those eating habits up to par, start tracking your calories and your macros, and then you're gonna start seeing the results that you wanna see. Thank you so much for tuning in, Buff Riders. I am KG. This is RoughToBeBuffTV. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.